We wanted to create something that gave a nod to the history of Xbox, where we came from, but we wanted to do it in our most recent and most modern products, kind of putting together a little bit of the old with the brand new in a way that really felt authentic to Xbox and what our history is. My name's Carl Ledbetter. I'm a partner director of design for Xbox. I am currently sitting in a frigid room that's the home of all the Microsoft archives. Pretty fantastic place. It's like Indiana Jones. I've been at Microsoft 27 years. I've been involved with every single Xbox you can name. So the opportunity to do this is pretty special.
My name's Larry Herb. I go by the gamer tag of Major Nelson. I've worked on the Xbox team since 2003. A lot of what I do right now is really talk to our customers, gamers, about what they want and what they want to see in the Xbox platform.
For the customer's experience with the product, it starts with the box. And in this case, we really wanted to do something that featured the product in a way that pulled from where we've been. So if you look at the original Xbox packaging, it was all black, it was dark.
This makes me feel really nostalgic. I mean, seeing the Xbox Series X and S controllers echo back to original Xbox. Every product we ship at Xbox is important, but these feel really good because they have such heritage and such meaning behind them. Brings a little bit of a tear to my eye, I'm gonna be honest.
We used a translucent resin for the housings of the controller. If you go back to the original Xbox, there was a debug kit that we created. So this kind of evokes a little bit of that same spirit. The metal ring around the D-pad, it's green. You really get drawn into that after you see it. And the most important thing, of course, these green grips.
We never had grips on original Xbox controllers. The moment you get this in your hand for the first time and you see that green, it just feels right. The Xbox button, it's such a direct callback in terms of colors and design. It always, had this energy and power in it. And you remember seeing when the original Xbox would boot up, and even today with the Xbox Series X and S, it held the energy of Xbox, and that's what I feel when I see this controller. The 20th anniversary logo, kind of winking at you under the clear translucent shell. It's like seeing an updated version of a classic car. The original Xbox controller, Duke, was a classic, so seeing it modernized and refined, it feels really good.
Now we get to check out the 20th anniversary headset. The first thing you see are these dates. It's like a wheel of time. It just sort of embodies the spirit of Xbox and what 20 years of Xbox is about.
I'm so excited to see this. I mean, look at that. Let's open it up and take a look, shall we? From the old days of the original Xbox, you had this little thing hanging on your ear and the microphone here, to this, which has full, beautiful stereo.
Oh yeah. There's a couple things going on with this headset that are pretty special. When you get to the dial and the sides, we use that same translucent resin that's on the controller. So it's pretty cool. You get this kinetic moment where when you rotate the dial, you can see the mechanism inside. You can adjust it when it's closed, but when it's open, they don't move. They're locked. So it allows you to set it up once, and then it just stays. So it's always good. And when you want to get the mic boom out of the way, you can just fold it up like that, and it sort of aligns with that green. When these products go out and people get them and open the box and have that moment, we all hope that they'll go, oh man, this is so cool. I love the new product and sort of the old characterization of Xbox. When you think about audio, it's not just a headset. It actually goes back to the original days of Xbox with Xbox Live. And so to see a product like this come out with the 20th anniversary to sort of celebrate that ability for people to engage with others, moments like that, it's pretty special because that is our history. It's kind of funny to see how far the design has come along. It really feels like 20 years progress.
What's great about this is inside here, Phil Spencer, the head of Xbox, has signed this. Certainly we all couldn't sign it, so he's signing this on behalf of the entire Xbox team around the world.
There's a little special message. When everybody plays, we all win. It's about the fans, it's about the gamers, it's about the gaming industry. Having Phil's signature and his gamer tag and the message on the inside of the battery door, it's just awesome because when you buy the product, the first thing you're gonna do is put the batteries in and you see that message. I have a hunch that Phil may have something he'd like to say to you personally.
Hi, I'm Phil Spencer, head of Xbox. As we release the 20th anniversary controller and headset, I just wanted to take a moment to thank you for all the support that the fans and the community have given us over the last 20 years. We have a dedicated team that have worked over the years to build what Xbox is today. But we know in reality, Xbox is much more than what the teams inside of our buildings and our studios create. Xbox is really about the fans. The people have spent years of their lives playing some amazing games on Xbox, finding friends, finding new stories, new heroes, new worlds. It's just been an amazing journey. So as we continue to work to bring the joy and community of gaming to everyone on the planet, I just wanted to take this opportunity to thank you. Thank you for the feedback, thank you for the support, and thank you for all you've meant to what Xbox has been over the years.